Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have a project share for you guys today, it is for this cute little traveler's notebook or journal. And I watched a tutorial by I believe her channel is Sabrina Ann here on YouTube, and which led me to another channel. I think it's Live Love Scrap, if I'm not mistaken, but I will link both channels down in the description box below if you guys are interested in checking them out. Just a super easy, fun tutorial to follow if you love planning or if you love journaling, even diaries. Yeah, I think this is a really cute little traveler's journal. I have added 2 of these little charms that were gifted to me during a doing a swap. I believe it was like a Valentine embellishment swap. So yeah, I were able to finally use this little tassel and then this little cute charm, and I put this on the elastic closure for this little traveler's notebook. I also made this one, however, I have not put it together or added any elastic for the binding because I only have the gold elastic cord, and for this one I want silver. And if y'all know, both of these paper collections are from Prima, and I spoke about these paper pads in a paper haul that I did not too long ago, and I think this is an awesome way to use up some of your, paper packs. So I decided to go with the Prima for these books because it's so beautiful. The paper is so beautiful, and so each book has 4 little, I guess you can call them signature booklets. And for these notebooks, I put the covers plus 6 sheets, so it would make 12 sheets, I believe. Yeah, per booklet. So yeah, I thought that was cute. But this is just the cover and the booklets. I haven't actually put this one together. I'm just kind of using a binder clip to hold it together until I get some elastic cord that's silver to put that together. So that is that one. And then here's the one that I was actually able to use my gold elastic cord for my closure and my binding. And this is what that looks like. All my little booklets are in there, so I can take notes. And so I'll definitely be coming back and doing some craft with me videos, making some accessories to go in my little traveler's notebook. I want to make a pen holder, and I want to make a folder. This morning I was binge watching these tutorials about these little traveler's notebooks. So yeah, I've done a video in the past with my junk journal, but these are a little bit different. They use laminating paper to laminate, or laminating pockets to laminate the cover, so that you don't have to worry about your booklet being ruined if water or something splashes on it. Now the booklets on the inside are just paper, with no laminating, but still I think this is just so cute, very cute. And you can add as many or of these little signatures as you wish, but I just kind of followed the tutorial. And she even had a part on there where she shows you how to make an inside pocket for your notebook. So I added my little inside pocket, and let me just show you the paper collections. Okay, so these are the two that I used, the Midnight Garden, and I used the Flirty Fleur paper pad, and these were the ones I got on clearance for $5.49, and that is a bargain for Prima papers. They have beautiful papers. And for this notebook here, there are some cut aparts in this paper pad that I want to use to make some page flags and other little embellishments, and I can do the same for this. It just didn't have like a cut apart page in this one, but I can still make my embellishments, which is what I plan on doing. So yeah, that is the share for today, and let me show you. I shared this with you guys a while back. This is the little laminator that I got on Amazon, and it works pretty good. I mean, it's very inexpensive. And then I also got a pack of 100 of the laminating pockets, super affordable, on Amazon as well. Another thing that I got after watching Sabrina's videos is one of these, I guess it's like it's Craftinova. It's like a long range stapler, so that I was able to use this to staple my inserts. Let me show you. So if you just pull out your insert, I was able to put my little booklet right in my stapler. Regular stapler, you won't have that long of a range. So with this one, you can actually set it to all the way up to 30 centimeters. So pretty good, pretty good. So that's 12 inches, yeah. So this is a handy little tool, and this was only $10 on Amazon. So I got that because I think these little travelers notebooks and journals are perfect as gift giving ideas. So I'm definitely going to be giving some of these away, making and giving some of them away. It's also a perfect way to use up some of my 12 by 12 paper packs. Since I can't seem to stop buying them, I need to be using them, and this is perfect. So I will be gifting some of these little traveler's journal to some of you guys and to some of my crafty friends here on YouTube. So stay tuned for the giveaways, and also y'all have been following along with me as I have been making my Halloween embellishments, which I'm still working on, and I'm pretty much done with my little Halloween embellishment book. So I'm going to be giving that away as well. And I was thinking sending it to one of my crafty friends, but I think I want to give it away to one of my subscribers here on YouTube. So stay tuned, because I will come on with another video just to share with you guys how I finished off the embellishment book, and then I will also give that away. So stay tuned. I have so many scrapbooking supplies and things that I want to use up, and I thought a great way to do that is by, you know, gifting a lot of the items that I make here on my channel. And so that was actually an idea that I heard from Crafting with Liller. She has an amazing channel as well, and I will link her channel. She does amazing like embellishments, and she has great tutorials. She does a lot of live videos, and sorry about that. She does a lot of live videos where you can kind of follow along with her as she crafts. So yeah, so I'll leave Crafting with Liller, Sabrina and then I think it's Live Love Scrap. I'll leave links to their channels in the description box below, so you can check those ladies out. They are great crafters here on YouTube, and I follow them, and I'm always picking up on new tips and tricks from them. So thank you to those ladies, and thank you guys for watching, liking, subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.